What's good, Ram Gang? It's your boy Ram. We back with another vlog. Right now is Monday, so let's get the week started good. My dad just left right now. He was here for yesterday only. Well, got here the night before yesterday. Was here all day yesterday and just left this morning. But we out door dashing, trying to make some shmondays.
This is the crocodile. This is.
Are you helping me with mine? Are you doing two puzzles at once, girl?
Three cows, 5 and cow. Moo, moo, moo. Moo or moo. Try and turn
I need one more piece. Where'd my piece go? I need the elephant. Oh, there you, baby.
You're funny.
You're funny, mate.
You're funny, naughty.
I've been waiting for him to do it because she wrestles with all the time.
The robot not coming out. You got any mail, girl? We got mail.
Yay, now.
What's Snaily?
I could you know the acorn.
What do you think that snail's gonna do with that big acorn, girl? That's not even an acorn, by the way. You got me calling it an acorn. That's a pine cone, girl. A pine acorn? We are outside, girl. This is the outside. The shed. Girl, it's muddy. You can't use that right there, right now. It's muddy. Just got off of work. We headed home. Well, got off of work like an hour ago or more. There's a bad accident, so we were just stuck here. This accident so bad they had to call in like the fucking trucks. They carry multiple trucks to come pick up all these red cars. That shit is crazy. Friday, so we're about to get home or go get Empi and then get home and go see what we're about to do.